Guys, I am so excited to be here today with dancer, model, Larsen Thompson.
But I'm here with Patrick Ta, the founder of Patrick Ta Beauty.
Thank you.
And we're going to do this today. Show them how we got all glowed up.
Do you see this glow? So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this glow on the cheekbones, the collarbone, the shoulder, like a whole major glow moment. We all love glowy skin. It's almost Coachella. So I wanted to show you. So this is Major Glow Body Oil. So I have two shades, a dream and a moment. The reason why I name things their names is because they come from like a place of excitement. So I wanted this to, like, whenever I apply a body glow, it's always at like the final step, and like right before like you walk on like a red carpet or whatever event you are going to, like things that I always like scream in my head, like, oh, like you look like a dream, or this is a moment.
I love that.
Who doesn't love to look glowy? I feel like that over the shoulder pop is always so important. Like it needs to match like that cheekbone. Growing up, I've always gravitated towards women because they were the ones who like provided me comfort at a time in my life where I wasn't like comfortable in my own skin. So I really just wanted to create products that allowed women to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. I usually take like 3 products to get the look that I want. Some powder, some cream, some liquid, to get that like that wet, luminous, yummy skin.
Yeah.
But this is basically all 3 in one. So I have a white pearl, a pink pearl, and a gold pearl. I'm gonna use a look at her on you because we want to be looked at. We want to be looked at from all angles. So you always want to make sure that you shake the bottle really, really well. And so I also came out with this setting fan. So this setting fan basically is used, like if you need a little wind action. so this fan helps with everything. But the reason why I designed this is because like for the girl at home, like you want to like spray this onto your skin, but then without like getting in your eyes, so you cover your eyes, spray. But
so you're being chic while spraying it.
We're having like little moments where, like, while we are glamming. So I'm gonna turn this way. Turn
this way.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cover basically from the top of the eyebrow, and you always want to shake, spray, and spray probably 6 inches away from the skin. And then this, spray, and set. Iconic moments happening here. So then, and also on the cheekbone as well, so turn this way as well. So you want to line this up from like the bottom of your lash line, and then spray as well. So your skin just looks luminous, it looks yummy, and yummy is a good word. Yummy, glowy. Yummy, glowy, decadent. So put it on this side as well, and then a little bit on the cheekbone as well. Can you see how glowy your skin is?
Oh my gosh.
A way to kind of amplify this look and make it look a little bit more edgy from day to night would be to put a little bit of gloss onto your eyelids. And I love doing this because in photos and in videos, when you blink, oh my god, like you just, the gloss is just everything. So you just want to take this, and I'm just going to put it just right onto your eyelids, and it's going to feel a little bit sticky at first, but then you're going to actually get used to it like in like two minutes. But I'm just taking this right from the wand and applying it right onto it. And the secret about this is you don't want to put it too high and blink a few times. You just want to just put this just right underneath your crease. Don't put it too high. And then it's an iconic moment.
Iconic.
Major moment. This is a major moment. Major glow. So I just don't use one brand in my kit. As a makeup artist, I'm constantly like, every brand has something so amazing. I love mixing and matching, so I really love drugstore mascara. Drugstore mascara is like, it's all about the wand. So I love L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I love Milani Cosmetics bronzer, just to give you that like little bronze glow. And I love Maybelline eyeshadow.
Who taught you most about the business?
I would have to say you were my first celebrity client in LA when I moved here 6 years ago. You started following me on Instagram.
Oh my gosh, I slid into your DMs. That's what happened.
I fell over. So Shay actually slid into my DMs like 6 years ago, and I was a huge fan of Pretty Little Liars, and I had just moved to Los Angeles, so I had never worked with any celebrities.
Feel hydrated, you look great.
That was just like a big moment for me. I called my mom, like, my life is gonna change, and Shay has honestly, she has fought for me on jobs. Another client that found me not too long after was Gigi Hadid, and she has honestly changed my life. That, like, her energy is the best energy. I mean, Shay and Gigi's energy, like, they are by far some of my favorite girls. Larsen, you look so beautiful.